Hi friends, today I am going to discuss shortcut of square root. Square root is very easy. See here, 1 square, 1, 2 square, 4, 1 square, 2 I wrote, 12 square, 12 square, 144. Next, see the first question, square root of 1936. So back to any digit, any numbers here they given, we have to take it back to 2 digits, we have to cut it. Now see the last digit. 6. Right side we have to check it 6. Here where is 6? 6 means we have to take it 4. Now here 6 means 6. So how many are there 6? 4 and 6. 2 digits 4 and 6. Now what is the remaining value? 19 is the remaining value. So 19 we have to check it where it will come. See 19 here it will come in between of 16 and 25. So 4 and 5. Now we have to take it always first digit. 4 and 5. 4 and 5. But we have to take it always first digit 4. Now we have to check it in these two which one it will come here. Now we have to multiply. 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20. What is the remaining value here? 19. So, compared to this number, question number only we have to check it. Compared to this number is small. This number is small, that's why we are taking in these two, which is the small one? This one. So, 4. So, 44 is the answer. Next, second question. Square root of 4489. Any number back to 2 digits, we have to cut it. We have to find out the factors of 9. 9 right side where it will come 9 means 3. Here 9 means 7. So 3 and 7. 3 and 7. We don't know which number we have to take it. Now 44. 44 in between where it will come? 34. 6 and 7. I mean 36 and 49 means 6 and 7. 6 and 7. Always we have to take it the first digit. 6 into 7 are 6 7. 42. See the question 44 they given. 44. Compared to this one, this number is big one. In these two, which is the biggest one? 7. So 67 is the answer. Next, third one, 9604. Back to 2 digits. We have to take the factors of 4. 4, 2 we have to take. Here 4 means 8. 2 and 8. Next 96. 96 where it will come? In these two. 81 and 100. In between it will come means 9 and 10. 9 and 10. 9 we have to write it first one. 9 tens are multiplication. 90. So 96 is here. Question. Compared to this number, this is the big one. So in these two, which is the big one? 8. So 98 is the answer. Next, 2809. Back to 2 digits. 9 means 9, 3, 9 means 3 and 7. 28, where it will come? Here, 28 in between 5 and 6. Always we have to take it first digit. 5 6 are 30. In question what is there left out one? 28. Compared to this one, this is the smallest one. So that's why we are taking which is the smallest in this 3. So 53. Next 7744. 4 last digit. 4 means 2. Here 4 means 8. So 2 and 8. 77. 77 where it will come? In between these two. So 8 and 9. 8 and 9. First digit we have to take it 8. Next multiplication of these two. 8 and 9. 72. Here what is there? 77. Compared to this number, this is the biggest one. In these two, which is the biggest one? 8. So 88 is the answer. Next, last one more in this 6084. Back to 2 digits. So 4 means 2, 4 means 8. 4 and 8. 60 where will come? In these two. So 7 and 8. 7 and 8. Take it first number. 7 into 8. 56. Now what is the remaining here? 60. Compared to this one, this is the biggest one. In these two, which is the biggest one? 8. So we are taking 8. In this remaining different models also is there. I will continue in next video. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.